Okay, Mike, what did you get? What the heck is this thing?
So I was on eBay looking at something else, and it showed this ad for this helicopter, and I noticed the size of it. And so I said, that looks a really interesting thing. So I got it because it said, you know, you have there's 3 left out of 150, and it was like a total impulse buy. So here it is.
It doesn't look that big. I mean,
it doesn't look that big.
No, look at the picture on the box.
It doesn't look that big.
No. Oh man, it's huge. Oh my gosh. That is one chunky beast, man. For scale. That thing is huge.
It's designed to kill small children if it runs into them.
Holy cow. Wow, that's gonna be fun. It's full of LEDs, so we can. This is our nighttime.
Yeah, 18 LEDs.
This is our nighttime,
nighttime
activity. Yeah. Okay.
Look at the battery.
Nice. Charge it up.
Let's go.
Man, look at the sails inside the tail boom on it.
That's like half the length of it is the damn tail. I mean, this thing is...
Holy cow. They're very literal about the branding. The model name, it's called Large Model Aircraft. That's awesome. It's also known as the Large DIY Helicopter. Do it yourself. Thanks, China. You can see the motors in there. They just basically take toy grade electronics and scale it all up to like massive scale.
Yeah.
It even says it's superior on it.
Yeah. Talk about cheesy.
That's your charger, man.
Charger.
It's probably a 4-hour charge time.
I mean, look.
Oh.
Look, it's got a Dean's plug.
Oh, it's a lipo.
Yeah, it's a lipo and it's got a Dean's
plug. Oh my gosh. That's impressive.
This will plug right in, actually. Let's go plug it in.
Let's go plug it in.
Use.
Will any of these chargers work?
I think one of them will work. Let's try this one. Okay.
And you plug the balancing connector in. This is the way the experts do it.
Our fat finger's not designed for this. LiPo. I don't know what we should charge it at. Let's just say 4 amps, sure.
Sure. And then it says, okay. Then run the hell away, just in case it explodes.
Yeah. I think everyone just puts it in their own case. It's the same charger.
Even my cheapy one that's... Where is it? Oh, wherever mine is. Oh, this one. This cheapy one that I bought for 20 bucks. Same exact thing. Alright. Good thing the language is in Chinese. Aircraft manual.
Put the 2 foam wings on it. So once you pull the things off, can you turn these LEDs off? How do you turn them on and off?
Skullscopter. I knew this thing's gonna make a heck of a noise. It wants to fly.
We'll just have to wait then. Look, Mina.
Yeah.
How about just keep giving her pretzels instead?
That noise is so not reassuring.
No, don't fall on your bare feet. Yeah! It flew, baby, it flew!
It didn't flew much, right?
It flew right over.
Laughing my butt off.
I think it's ready for another flight. Oh my God. Flight number 2. Flight number 3.
the back one spinning? Is the bottom one spinning or not really?
Yeah, it's spinning.
You know what we could do is get some sticks.
Huh?
Why don't we get some sticks and put an X on the bottom of it? A big X.
Big trainers.
Yeah, big sticks.
Daddy, look what I found.
That's freaking awesome. You found a perfect stick for it?
I can't believe after 3 crashes it still turns.
See?
Those gears sound like they're gonna break without it.
I found them, Daddy. Look at it. I found.
Well, here we are, folks. It's dark out.
That means
and it's the 4th time we're gonna try to crash this thing.
That means it's time to fly. Oh, there it goes. Ooh.
Over the fence. That was a good landing.
It sure handles a lot of abuse.
Yeah, it's going pretty well considering how big it is.
It's got a lot of little dents in the props, I can tell you that, in the blades.
It's barely, that's like max throttle right there.
Is that
That was close.
nice job.
What?
Dun dun dun.
We gotta fix this turn.
Taking a perfectly good Chinese helicopter and making it actually
Capable of flight.
yeah.
Did that last night.
Oh,
This morning I'm working on making the gears mesh properly. See in there?
Uh-huh.
See, I grooved one of the holes and grooved this part.
Very good.
So we'll try to nudge it towards the gear so it meshes properly.
Better gear mesh, yeah.
The holes that were molded into the part are not the right spacing.
Yeah, not exactly precision engineering, unfortunately. Like, if this was 10 years ago,
Yeah.
we would have been really impressed, right?
Yeah.
But it's 2015, the thing has to be able to fly. It's gonna be hard to get in here.
Get it out.
Are you taking out?
Oh, heat sink.
Mike Wittig, the Michelangelo of RC flying vehicles. I just remove what doesn't need to be there. Like a stone statue.
Yeah, how can you have a heat sink on one motor but not the other?
I think you were right. I think they had them on both, and then they realized
it doesn't fly or it doesn't balance right.
Or they just plain forgot to put it on. They just forgot to put the heatsink on. Oh man, that's like an ounce of weight. Just shut it off.
So we'll fix the mesh, and I think this thing's ready to fly.
There's quite an amazing collection of English on this helicopter. We have helicopter. So we've already, just by handling it, worn off the lettering off the... so now it doesn't say large model aircraft, it just says model aircraft. Other English includes...
Really front heavy now, right?
Yeah.
So we'll fix that.
Mike's going to just start trimming sections of the nut.
See how it bounces.
Helicopter inspired by Mad Max. Hey, that's pretty good.
It's better.
Hold it by the blades, the gimbal.
It's still forward.
Hold
Still
it
forward. Okay.
Pretty good.
You want to try it?
It's pretty good. I think it's probably
a little bit
pretty
bit
close
forward.
to fly.
Let's try it.
Yeah,
Let's try it like this.
I think it's ready to go. That's crazy looking. There's lots of room to put a camera in there now. Well, this sounds a lot better. Wow. Success!
Not broken.
Still a little low on power, but you made it fly way better than it came out of the box.
It's enough to get off the ground now, right?
Yeah.
It's way off the ground.
Oh, I think I'd better put this on.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I'm giving it all the back stick I can get.
Let's move it away from the kids. I don't want the blade to shoot off and kill them.
Here, you guys, sit behind this.
That's pretty safe.
Now, if something happens to the helicopter, there's a 80% less chance of it maiming you or anything horrendously bad. Sorry. All right, that's enough.
Okay, get out. Oh.
11 ounces, almost 11 ounces of weight.
3/4 of a pound.
3/4 of a pound.
That's crazy.
That is like a whole Happy Meal worth of crap we just trimmed off that helicopter right there.
Yeah, it's 1 ounce. We trimmed off with just 1 ounce less than
almost a
battery.
battery's worth of weight.
50 kilos.
Wow. Whoa, that doesn't sound good at all. I think you threw something off.
Here we are back at the scale, and we found some more plastic on the floor from the helicopter that we chopped off. So we have to re-weigh the bag of junk that we took off this thing. Look at that. 12.2 ounces off of this helicopter. Incredible. Here is the failure on the rotor head of the weights used to stabilize the rotor. This broke like this. You can see it's just it's a design failure. This thing wasn't strong enough to handle the centrifugal force of this little tiny weight. It just tore the plastic right off. Can you believe that? Had nothing to do with any modification we made.